In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a message in Discord. Pinning is a simple way to keep important info, like rules, event times, or links, at the top of everyone's mind, so no one has to scroll to find it. Start by opening Discord on your desktop or in your browser and head into the exact server and channel that contains the message you want to keep. Make sure it's the right place, because pins are specific to each channel. Also note that some servers restrict who can pin. If you don't have permission, a moderator or someone with Manage Messages enabled will need to do it. Find the message you want to pin. Move your mouse over that message. On the right side, a small 3 dots icon will appear. If you don't see it at first, try hovering a bit more precisely over the message or expand your window so the controls have room to show. Click the 3 dots to open the Message Options menu, then choose Pin Message. Double-check you've selected the correct message, especially if several look similar. Pinning the wrong one can create confusion. Discord will ask you to confirm. When the prompt pops up, click the button that says, "Oh yeah, pin it." That's your final confirmation, and it prevents accidental pins. If you never see the pin message option or the confirmation button, it usually means you don't have the necessary permission in that channel. Reach out to a moderator. Once confirmed, the message is pinned. Depending on the server settings, you may see a brief notice in the channel indicating that a message was pinned. To view all pinned messages later, look for the pushpin icon near the top of the channel and open it to see the list. This is a great way for new members to catch up on essentials fast. Keep in mind that channels have a limit on how many messages can be pinned. If you hit that limit, you'll need to remove an older pin before adding a new one. By the way, this works in direct messages and group chats too, as long as the conversation supports pins, so you can save reminders or shared files for quick access across devices. And that's all there is to it. Open the channel, hover over the message, click the 3 dots, choose Pin Message, and confirm with "Oh yeah, pin it." With those few clicks, your most important information stays organized and easy to find for everyone.